I'm pleased to welcome back with us today my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways.
And everyone knows we love those Callaways, but when you decide that you're going to sell a house, one of the most important things is finding the right realtor.
That is true.
And you can't find anybody with more honesty, integrity, willing to help, helping, just there for you for every step of the way.
That's very true.
And you've got one of their houses to tell people about today.
I do. I have a Scottsdale home, and it's in the TERRAVITA subdivision, and it's on a quiet cul-de-sac. It's 4,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's a stunning split plan home with a master suite and a second in-suite bedroom. The master suite has a private exit, soak tub, walk-in closet, and dual sinks. The kitchen has a built-in fridge with a cabinet front. It's got the stainless appliances and a built-in microwave. Then throughout, they've got the gas fireplace, the wet bar, the central vacuum.
Wow, it has
it's
everything.
Beautiful. I mean, the whole place is incredible. They have in the backyard the waterfall that spills into the pebble-finish pool, built-in barbecue, the spa, patio, large side yard. Then there are amenities that include the 32,000 square foot clubhouse, award-winning golf, Olympic-sized pool, spa, 6 tennis courts, all of these.
Something for everybody.
Yes, and this is all for $899,900.
That's a good buy.
It's a huge buy. I mean, that's wonderful priced, great area, so people need to check this one out, or obviously if there's anything else they want to see, those Callaways will help them.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining me.